Bought this Hitbox welding helmet off eBay 3 or 4 days ago. It was 40 bucks, 42 bucks something, but it's got solar power. It's got a full view, double what the old eBay box was, and plenty of settings, more than the other one has. Grinder mode and acetylene mode. Padded, super adjustable headgear. The old eBay helmet's done me right. Running on a solid 10-12 years. But that new Hitbox, that is the hit. Anywho, eBay, 42 bucks I want to say. Not a whole bunch of them left, I would bet. Might have been the last one, shit, I don't know.